Welcome back to TheCryptoJournal. We're thrilled to have you here. Hi guys, I'm Manuel, a young trader. I bring you this fresh news to update you on the world of cryptocurrencies.
Chairman Crapo, Ranking Member Brown, members of the committee. Thank you for the opportunity to speak with you today. My name is Peter Van Valkenburg, and I'm the Director of Research at Coin Center, an independent nonprofit focused on the public policy issues affecting cryptocurrency and public blockchain networks. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the world's first cryptocurrency, and it works because of the world's first public blockchain network. What does Bitcoin do? It's simple. It lets you send and receive value to and from anyone in the world using nothing more than a computer and an internet connection.
Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, a virtual currency designed to act as money and a form of payment outside the control of any one person, group, or entity, thus removing the need for third-party involvement in financial transactions. It is rewarded to blockchain miners for verifying transactions and can be purchased on several exchanges. Bitcoin was introduced to the public in 2009 by an anonymous developer or group of developers using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. It has since become the most well-known cryptocurrency in the world. Its popularity has inspired the development of many other cryptocurrencies. These competitors either attempt to replace it as a payment system or are used as utility or security tokens in other blockchains and emerging financial technologies.
Bitcoin is the world's first public digital payments infrastructure. And by public, I simply mean available to all and not owned by any single entity. Now, we have public infrastructure for information, for websites, for email. It's called the internet.
MicroStrategy bought the latest Bitcoin stash at an average price of $27,053 per coin, or 9% lower than the average purchase price of its entire BTC purchase. MicroStrategy, a business intelligence firm and major Bitcoin investor, is sending a bullish signal to the market by announcing the acquisition of another big stash of cryptocurrency. Michael Saylor, co-founder and executive chairman of MicroStrategy, took to X, formerly Twitter, on September 25 to announce a 5,245 BTC purchase by the firm. The coins were bought for $147.3 million in cash at an average price of $27,453 per BTC. According to a Form 8K filing with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, MicroStrategy and its subsidiaries acquired the amount between August 1 and Sept 24. As of Sept 24, MicroStrategy and its subsidiaries held an aggregate of approximately 158,245 BTC, which was acquired at an average purchase price of roughly $29,580 per coin, inclusive of fees and expenses, the filing notes. The aggregate purchase price for MicroStrategy's total Bitcoin holdings amounts to $468 billion.
That one would be approved. That would be the BlackRock one. But a view that given some of the things that have happened in court recently with the SEC losing, that maybe the SEC is now more open to approving one of these types of funds. Is it?
Well, good morning, Andrew. And I can't say whether or not the commission is ready to approve a Bitcoin exchange-traded product. I've been thinking we should approve one for the last 5 years.
ARK Invest's recent SEC meetings hint at progress on approval. Bloomberg analysts Eric Balchunas and James Seifert predicted in a note yesterday that a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF, has a 90% chance of approval by January 2024. The analysts cited recent updates to the spot Bitcoin ETF prospectus filed by ARK Invest and 21 Shares as signaling constructive engagement with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, a typical precursor to regulatory approval. The additional disclosures and context provided in ARK and 21 Shares revised prospectus spanned at least 5 pages, indicating the SEC had requested more information on the proposed spot Bitcoin ETF. According to analysts, this back and forth between the sponsors and regulators represents a return to normal procedures and bodes well for eventual approval. As a disclosure-focused regulator, the SEC is expected to ensure risks are properly outlined without judging the merits of the investment itself. The recent prospectus revisions suggest the SEC is adhering to this role in assessing the Bitcoin ETF. The Bloomberg analyst's optimistic prediction comes despite years of high-profile rejections for spot Bitcoin ETFs. But Balchunas and Seifert expect improved crypto market oversight and declining volatility to sway the SEC within months.
Bitcoin is the world's first globally accessible public money. Is it perfect? No. Neither was email when it was invented in 1972. Bitcoin's not the best money on every margin. It's not yet accepted everywhere. It's not used often to quote prices, and it's not always a stable store of value. But it is working, and the mere fact that it works without trusted intermediaries is amazing.
CryptoQuant argues that if this happens, the price of Bitcoin could hit $50,000 to $73,000 in 2024, which would certainly become a boon for MicroStrategy. However, the firm says it will stay on its BTC course even if a Bitcoin ETF gets the green light. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to see upcoming videos. That's all from CryptoJournal. See you soon with new news.